Let's take a look at the first example. We're supposed to first use the property for the log of the product and convert the log of the product to the sum of two logarithms. I'm going to copy first log. I have log of x plus log of 5 plus log of x is equal 3. Next, I'm supposed to combine the like terms. I have log x and log x. I'm going to have 2 log x. Because this log has no x, I'm going to move it to the right side. I'm going to have 3 minus log of 5. In order to find log of x, I have to divide both sides equation by the coefficient of this log. I have to divide by 2. 2 and 2 cancels out. This is going to be equal log of x equals 3 minus log of 5 divided by 2. Keep in mind that if you want to use the calculator, you're supposed to always add the parentheses in order to get the correct answer from the calculator. Next, I'm going to convert the logarithmic form to the exponential. Please keep in mind that there is invisible base 10. So I'm going to have 10 to power 3 minus log 5 over 2 equals x. Plug in this into the calculator and you are going to have x equals 14.1421. This is the solution to your problem. If you want to verify your answer, simply replace the x in the original equation by this value and you will see that the left side is going to be equal to the right side. 3 is going to be equal to 3. Let's take a look at the second example. First, I'm going to organize this equation. Means I'm going to bring all logs to the left side and every term without the log to the right side. So I'm going to have 3 log of x minus natural log of x squared equals 4. I'm going to eliminate this exponent first. I'm going to copy down 3 log of x minus, I'm going to use the property for the log of power. I'm going to simply move this exponent to being coefficient. I have 2 ln x is equal 4. Next, I'm going to convert this common log to the natural log by using the property for changing the base. So I have 3, open parenthesis, natural log of x over natural log of 10 minus 2 ln x equals 4. Next, we can rewrite this problem as 3 over ln 10 and inside of the parentheses I'm going to have natural log of x minus 2 ln x equals 4. Please notice that we have natural log in two terms. What I'm going to do, I'm going to factorize this natural log and I'm going to have ln of x and inside of the parentheses I'm going to have 3 over ln 10 minus 2 is equal 4. Next, I'm going to divide both sides equation by whatever is multiplied to my natural log of x. So divide by 3 ln 10 minus 2. 3 over ln 10 minus 2. This and this will cancel out, and I'm going to have ln x is equal 4 over 3 over ln 10 minus 2. This is equal. Natural log of x is equal minus 5.7379. I simply plug into the calculator these numbers and I obtain this number. Next, I have to convert the logarithmic form to the exponential. Please keep in mind that there is invisible base e. So if e to the power negative 5.7379 is equal x. If you are going to plug in e to the power negative 5.7379 to the calculator, you are going to get the value x equals 3.2215 times 10 to negative 3. This is the solution to my problem. If you want to verify your answer, you're supposed to simply replace the x in the original equation by this value. And you are going to have simply 3 log, and instead of x, you're supposed to write 3.2215 times 10 to negative 3 minus 4. This is equal negative 11.4758. This is my left side. If you want to check the right side, simply instead of x, type this value and you are going to have ln, open parenthesis, I have 3.2215 times 10 to negative 3 square, and your calculator is supposed to show you the same value, negative 11.4758. As you can see, the left side is equal to the right side. That's why this is the proper answer to our problem.